Here we are, Dorney Park, Cedar Creek Cannonball train ride. I wouldn't necessarily call it the Cannonball ride. I'd probably call it the Dud.
Welcome to Cedar Creek Cannonball. Positive gas at 3 minutes to the winter time and that's inside the train out tank. Thank you and enjoy your ride. The Cedar Creek Cannonball is water mountain ride here at only parking on water kingdom. This is the unnaturally landscape area of the park. Because you have all rides and attractions.
Very slow train ride, isn't it?
Yeah. Takes a while to park.
Doesn't look like there's any water in the rapids.
I think it's running. It's not running.
Wow, look, it's dry.
Yeah, it's bumper cars.
Auto dispatcher, magkasibang car ride with a different car with lighting.
That's English. But it's something weird. Yeah, heavy accent or something. The rapids, they're all down today. Not working. They're all dried up. They're full of water. Tons of water usually in the rapids. I think we're picking up speed. Picking up speed.
Are we?
Might be going 3 miles an hour.
Didn't go very slow.
I don't think I can walk this slow.
Yeah. Oh no, you can definitely outwalk this train.
No.
Wild Water Kingdom.
Welcome on Wild Water Crossing. We connect running part of the other gates of Wild Water Kingdom.
I've never been on a train so slow. Is this slow?
No, this is fast. Gotta slow down a little bit. It goes too quick, I think. Might get off the ride by the time the park's closed.
Yes.
Turn on your light, you can sit under the canyon. Installing 1994. Turn ka rin sa dapat dapat natin sa participation natin sa 1 nilikalan sa rushing model. Kasi wala ay tinay ko, you can do.
It might have been Muppet language.
Yeah.
Jim Henson might be on board.
Oh my God, this ride's long. 6 minutes already. Slower.
Ang nasabi ko pa sa pamilya ni Plato Bayo, wala hard time how na touch-up. Plato Bayo will have to go out on the 9 September and October. As we round the final band, we can see water landing, starting 1993. May water landing water started water pleasure into water, and then 80 feet into water lagoon.
Yeah, that's for Halloween, I think, maybe. Yeah.
Oh, those are haunted house.
Yeah. He's picking up a little bit of speed at the end.
Yeah, wow.
We are now approaching this section. Please remind the authorized comes to full and complete stop. Please remind the authorized comes to full and complete stop.
All right. How'd you like that, Chris? Did you like that ride?
Felt like it's a little bit. I don't know.
Thank you for your time. Have a nice time.